Namaste. Namaste. It's
You can just sit there.
okay. Wait. Sorry. Good morning, guys. Update vlog for today. Day 6 in Nepal. And we are on our way to the Mount Everest sightseeing plane tour. We are here at the Nepal Nepal domestic airport. Nakapila, guys, for the eksena. Good morning, guys. Update vlog for today. Papunta kami ngayon sa airplane tour sa Himalayan and Mount Everest sightseeing. So sasakay kami ng maliit na eroplano at lilipad kami doon sa mountain, tapos para makita yung mga mountain sa Himalaya. And of course, kasama na doon si Mount Everest. So nandito tayo ngayon sa domestic airport ng Nepal. And guys, nakapila na silang lahat. Yun sila. May iba-ibang airline, guys. So, yung binook sa akin is Sri Airlines Fly the New High. Yun ang eksena. Magpapakita lang tayo ng passport dito. Yun lang ang sinabi sa akin, na magdala lang daw ng passport. And it's like super early. Pinick up ako sa hotel ng 5 AM. Pero yung ticket kasi walang time. Ang nakalagay lang doon is date lang siya, April 2. Wala siyang time. So, hindi ko alam kung anong oras. Pero feeling ko maaga siya kasi feeling ko dapat masalubong namin ng sunrise para makita yung ng araw dun sa bundok. Hey guys, tapos na tayo sa airport check. So, nakakuha na tayo ng ating boarding pass para sa mountain tour with Sri Airlines. So magkita-kita na lang tayo mamaya, guys, sa Mount Everest. And yes, Experience Everest. Guys, update for today. Papunta na kaming Mount Everest. Namaste. Namaste.
You can just sit there.
Okay. You're here in turbine airplane. Propeller plane siya, guys. Parang ganun, no? Lahat ng passenger ay parang isasakay siya sa window para makita nila yung mga mountain. Ikot lang siya. Hi guys, nag-wait pa kami ng flight namin. I mean, nandito na kami sa airplane but hindi pa siya lumilipad. So, nakita ko lang sa inyo itong parang guide booklet, yung Experience Everest na So, ang Himalayan mountain range, guys, marami siyang mountain, mga summit, ayun. Tapos, yung pinakamataas is Mount Everest. Ayan siya, guys. So, ito yung oh God, nahulog. So, ito yung mga flight stewardess ng Sri Airlines. So, yun. Ito yung route ng mga ng Sri Airlines. Kathmandu, Pokhara. Ito yung mga main city ng special tong nila kasi mountain flight lang talaga siya. Lang talaga siya for Everest Experience flight. Ayun.
Under the stands. There are four exits in the cabin. Each of them is clearly marked with the red excluding inside. Two in the back of the cabin, two in the front of the cabin. In case of smoke in the cabin, are required an emergency evacuation. Call lines powerful guide you to this exit which may be near or behind you. For further person, please review the service and cars kept in front of your seat. Pockets, thank you for your time and attention.
So, ayun. Take off na kami, guys. And tapos na yung safety protocol. Malipad na kami, papunta na kami Mount Everest. Hi guys, first time kong sumakay ng propeller plane na ganito kaliit. Nakasakay na ako noon pero nakasakay na ako ng ganito pero yung medyo malaki external microphone. So I hope naririnig nyo siya. So hindi kami puno guys kasi naka-window seat lahat. Medyo cloudy nga siya guys. Guys, so
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, we would like to welcome on board in this mountain flight. Mostly passengers seated in the left side of the aircraft will get to see mountain ranges and will start from Mount Langtang and return after reaching Mount Wakaru. While returning back, passengers seated on the right side of the aircraft will get to see mountain ranges starting from Bakalu and after reaching Mount Malangtang. We hope your mountain flight will be unforgettable. Thank you.
So ayun guys, medyo naka-zoom ako ngayon kasi naka 2 times zoom siya. So ayun guys, binabaybay na namin yung Himalayan Range. Medyo cloudy pa siya pero kanina na picturean ko na siya and hindi ko alam kung may sasabihin ko si ate girl. Did we already? Guys, so ito pabalik na kami ng Kathmandu Airport tapos ito na yung guys. I don't know if nakikita nyo kasi medyo cloudy siya mga mountain, medyo cloudy siya. Yun. Hi guys, tapos na yung tour namin. Pabalik na kami sa Hi guys, I'm with Mr. Hariram now. We are going back to the hotel. He dropped me today to the airport to join the Everest mountain tour. So thank you. We will go back now to the hotel, right?
Yes.
So yes, Mr. Hariram he is working from the hotel. So I paid $250 and it's already included in the tour, transportation, drop off and pick up. So yun guys, saan ba ako? Okay, I will ride here with this side. Nagkakalituhan na. Ay, sarado friend. Ayun guys, oh my goodness, aray ko. So medyo gutom na, Tom Jones na. So yun lang, pabalik na ako sa hotel and kakain ako guys. Pupunta ako ngayon siguro sa sa yung garden. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. So basta yun.